to Seize the Water by Jake Downs.
Earpiece connected. It's Simon's birthday today. Would you like to send a gift?
You and Chloe have similar interests. Would you like to send a friend request? Friend request sent.
Now listening to
Wallow by Coasts.
Eating a healthy breakfast is essential for maintaining daily energy.
Insufficient ubiquity credits. Unable to purchase.
The all-new tablet and earpiece from Ubiquitous. Your life, your security, and your happiness is available now. Failure to upgrade will result in the termination of your channel.
And if God had gifted me with some beauty and as much wealth, I should have made it as hard for you to leave me as it is now for me to leave you. You think because I'm I am soulless and heartless. You think wrong. I have as much soul as you, and full as much heart. And if God had gifted me with some beauty and much wealth, I should have made it as hard for you to leave me as it is now for me to leave you. I am not talking to you of custom, conventionalities, or even of mortal flesh. It is my spirit that addresses your spirit, just as if both had passed through the grave and we stood at God's feet. As we are, repeated Mr. Rochester. So, he added, enclosing me in his arms, gathering me to his breast, pressing his lips on my lips. So, Jane. Yes, so, sir, I rejoined, and yet not so, for you are a married man, or as good as a married man, and wed to one inferior to you, to one with whom you have no sympathy, whom I do not believe you truly love, for I have seen and heard you sneer at her. I would scorn such a union, therefore I am better than you, let me go. Where, Jane? To Ireland? Yes, to Ireland. I have spoken my mind and can go anywhere now. Jane, be still, don't struggle so, like a frantic wild bird that is rending its own plumage in its desperation. I am no bird and no net in snare.
Your train arrives in 13 minutes. Your train arrives in 13 minutes. Your train arrives in 13 minutes.
Travelling with express trains ensures 99% punctuality and 100% customer care.
Avon and Somerset police arrested a 31-year-old man who mugged a student in the Bath area. Robert Fields was identified in court by the police within 5 hours of the incident happening. The student was physically harmed and received a shock.
Help! Somebody help me!
Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
What's wrong?
I'm so scared.
Where's your earpiece?
I was attacked. This man, he pushed me up against a wall and he took my tablet and my headphones too.
Don't worry, I can fix this. I'll get you a new pen now. If you just stay here, sit down, relax, have a nice cup of terra firma tea.
George, have you heard the sound of the birds?
Here, I've got your earphones, Emily.
No, George, just listen.
Listen to what?